Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to automatically restart a failed MariaDB service in Bitnami. I'm sure you know Bitnami. It's one of the famous script that you can use to install and prepare your VPS server. It comes with a pre-installed package, pre-configured package, ready to use software package, and it makes the installation process fast and straightforward. You may have used it to install WordPress stack or Joomla or Drupal. There are so many applications that you can install using Bitnami, and Bitnami mostly use MariaDB because it's an open source and fast and flexible database service. And sometimes you may have some issue with database, and for that you need to restart the service. But what happens if your server goes down because of the database service not running and you don't know about it? So you need to set up a script which checks the status of MariaDB service and restarts it automatically. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up a script and run it through cron job. The script will check the status of MariaDB service. If the service is not running, it will restart. If it is already running, it will do nothing. And this script is not going to take a lot of resources on your VPS server. It's very simple, very short, quick script. So just let's go ahead and set up a new server, and I'm going to show you how we can do it and how it works. Alright, so I have just created a fresh VPS server on AWS, a fresh instance using Bitnami script, and this script, this instance is already running. So I'm gonna open this instance and copy the IP address so that I can log into this instance using SSH client that I'm using on Windows. And by default the username for Bitnami installed VPS is Bitnami, and I'm gonna put the IP address, so Bitnami at the IP address of the server, and then use the authentication method as a private key which I downloaded earlier while creating the VPS server. So this is the SSH key, and I'm gonna click open. So now I'm logged in. Let me just increase the font size so that it shows clearly. Just change the font appearance. Okay, right, I think it looks good. So the first thing that we need to do here is elevate the privilege as sudo su. That's the command you need to use. So by default we are in home Bitnami folder, and now we have to create this simple script that checks the status of MariaDB service and restart if it is not running or if it is failed or stuck. So I'm gonna paste this script in the video description. You can copy it from there, but let's just copy from here now, and let me clear the screen. So I'm gonna type this command to create a new file. I will use nano, and then the file name, which is mariadbmon.sh. You can name anything. This is just for reference, mariadbmon.sh. And I'm gonna put this script. So this script basically check the status of the service. The first line is the condition which checks the status, and if it finds not running, then it will give a message MariaDB service was down, restarting now, and then restart the service. And then if it is already running, it will say services are running already, nothing to do here. So you don't have to put these messages. These messages are just for illustration purpose, to show the event on the screen in terminal, but when you're doing it for the live server, I recommend just comment it out or just remove this line. So let me just save it here, Control X, and then hit Y to save, hit enter again, and then the script is already created. Now we need to make this script executable. You can use this command chmod. I will put this command in the description. All the commands will be in the description. So I have just run this command. Now our script is ready to be scheduled to run, and for the scheduler service we have to use cron tab. So cron tab is a powerful tool here. Cron tab -E, that will open the cron tab editor, and here we need to put the scheduler which is called cron. So this cron here is something which runs every minute. If you need to run it every 2 minutes or every 5 minutes, you just need to tab this, edit this here in the first star, put a / and then 5. So this one will run this script every 5 minutes. Well, but we need to run this every minute, so we'll just leave it like this. I'm gonna copy and paste it here. I'm gonna save, exit. Now the script is created, the cron is set. So if we stop the script MariaDB, it will be automatically restarted by cron. So that's the best thing, that's the magic of this script. So let me just go ahead and stop it intentionally so that we will see if the cron is restarting. So this is the command to stop MariaDB, and the MariaDB is stopped. If you go to the server website and reload it, you will get the error message. So now note down the time, it's 4:06. We should check it after 4:07. So after few seconds after 4:07, as it's already 4:06. So we'll just wait here and watch, and the services should be down. If I reload it again, it will not work. Alright, so it's 4:07 and the service restarted. You see this instance, and this is a great script, and you can use the similar script to restart other services. And if you see this command, Bitnami service restart, it actually so here is the list of services that Bitnami has. So let's say if I just put this command, I can see the status of all the 3 major services that Bitnami has. So Apache, MariaDB, PHP FPM. So even if the PHP FPM is stopped, you can restart. You can create a similar script for PHP FPM also. So if we edit this file here, so we have this command status MariaDB. So instead of MariaDB, you can just put Apache or PHP FPM. So this can be used for other services as well. Now I was talking about this line. You don't have to use this line. It was just for the instruction and for the video. You can comment it out. You can actually delete this. And also here, you don't have to use the else command. Just remove, because you don't want to do anything. You don't need to show the message if it's not running. So this script will take action only when the MariaDB is not running. So that's the good thing. You just remove this one. So now this is our short version of the script. I'm gonna click yes, save here, and let me stop. Okay, so it restarted MariaDB and the services should be running fine. So everything is fine. So I hope you like this video. That was all. You can subscribe to our channel. I would appreciate, and you will keep getting similar interesting videos. So thanks for watching. You have a great day ahead. Bye bye.